Welcome to Practice Easy English. 20 plus useful English vocabulary words with sentences. Heed. To pay attention to or take notice of. We should heed the weather warnings. He didn't heed his teacher's advice. Fathom. To understand deeply. Can you fathom the meaning of this poem? I couldn't fathom why she left. Rebuke. To criticize sharply. She rebuked him for his mistake. The manager rebuked the employee for being late. Muster. To gather or bring together. She mustered the courage to speak. Can you muster enough support? Foster. To encourage the development of something. We should foster a sense of community. She fosters creativity in her students. Elude. To evade or escape from. The thief eluded the police. Success continues to elude him. Extort. To obtain something by force or threats. They extorted money from the victim. The gang tried to extort a large sum. Foil. To prevent from succeeding. The hero foiled the villain's plan. Their attempts were foiled by bad weather. Quail. To feel or show fear. She quailed at the thought of public speaking. He did not quail in the face of danger. Furnish. To provide or supply with what is needed. Can you furnish the room with new furniture? Please furnish the office with desks and chairs. Bestow. To give or present something, often an honor or gift. The university will bestow an honorary degree on him. She bestowed a kind smile on everyone she met. Partial. Incomplete or favoring one side. This is only a partial list. The teacher is partial to her favorite student. Perpetual. Never-ending or changing, continuous. The clock runs in perpetual motion. He lives in perpetual fear of failure. Afflict. To cause pain or suffering. The disease afflicted many people. He is afflicted by constant headaches. Flourish. To grow or develop in a healthy way. The flowers flourish in spring. Her business is starting to flourish. Exalt. Glorify, praise very highly. She exalted her friend for helping her move. The coach exalted the team after their big win. Exploit. To make use of unfairly for one's own advantage. They exploit natural resources excessively. The company exploits its workers. Glorify. To praise or honor greatly. He tends to glorify his past achievements. The teacher glorified the student's effort in front of the class. Humiliate. To make someone feel ashamed or foolish. He humiliated her in front of everyone. The student felt humiliated after the teacher's comment. Satire. The use of humor, irony, or ridicule to expose and criticize. The play is a satire on politics. The book uses satire to criticize society. Stipulate. To demand or specify as part of an agreement. The contract stipulates the terms clearly. They stipulated a minimum price for the sale.